Hi, my name's Ben, and that's something I'm going to show you. That was a time slice. A little explanation. A time slice is when everything in the shot is completely frozen, but the shot itself continues to move, as you saw. Let me show you how we're doing it. So, what's happening here?
I'm setting up our last camera so we can do a group photo for our time slice.
Yeah, we're creating an end of year project, which is a group photo with a twist.
Yeah, instead of a photograph, it's actually going to be a time slice.
Let me show you how we're going to do it. First, you need to decide what you're going to do. For this, I'm going to just demonstrate it by using a jump. Once you know what you're going to do, you then need to mark the center point that all your cameras are going to be looking at. Because it's a jump, I'm going to mark an X over here.
With the centre marked, we use this camera as the master camera to determine the distance between the X and the correct height and angle for all the cameras.
Knowing the distance between the master camera and the X, you can then get a piece of string and match the distance. Using that piece of string, you can then create a radius around the center point. This will act as a marker point to place all your other cameras on, ensuring that they're all at an equal distance from the center point.
It's important to note we're not using a rig, which means the measurements won't be perfect, but it won't greatly affect our results.
With the line marked out, you then need to make sure that all your cameras are placed an equal distance apart from each other. We've used 1 foot since that's a very easy and solid measurement to use.
With the cameras now set up, we manually align them to a reference point we have placed on the X.
All you need now is a clapperboard. One of the problems with using video cameras for the time slice is you don't have a reference point to take. If you were using a stills camera, you just take the correct stills. But because it's video, you need to figure out which exact frame from every tape you need. That's where a clapperboard comes into it. The sticks, the noise of it from the sticks, will provide the reference point in every single tape. That way you just take out the exact frame you need.
Now let's do the time slice. 3, 2, 1.
With the time slice done, now we just need to take the tapes out and take them over for editing.
Catching the footage in the same order as we numbered the tapes, we place the captured footage on the timelines, number 1 to number 14. Then, using the clapperboard as a reference point, we cut out and place the frames we needed to create the time slice.
Using the method we presented in this tutorial, we then applied it to our large-scale time slice or group photo, and this shows the extent you can use the time slice technique.
I hope you enjoyed the video and it inspires you to make your own time slice. Thank you for watching.